Man, I was about to break my neck. Rompicollo. Breakneck. But the Tommasi family usually have got a very elegant approach in handling winemaking, wherever they are in their vineyards. So the Cabernet Sauvignon is not going to be handled with overly oaked. As a matter of fact, 65 Slavonian oak, so even with the Cabernet Sauvignon. Of course, here you have this combination of leather, smoke, a little bit of that blueberries and mulberry that comes from the Cabernet Sauvignon. And it is a very rich, pretty tannic wine at the beginning, lots of structure. The alcohol is amazingly balanced for being a 17 vintage, it's very forward with the alcohol. But in this case, the body of the Cabernet Sauvignon handles the alcohol amazingly. I love that the fact that right now, after what must have been like 20-25 seconds of lots of length in this wine, the tannins are melting down, which means that they are very well registered, if you want, fine-tuned tannins. And I'm just curious to see how this wine, I do not have much of an experience with this wine in terms of aging, but I could bet a few dollars on this wine, a few euros, whatever you've got there, bitcoins if you want, that the wine is gonna for sure go for a 15 years to 18 years aging potential. Hello, anyone out there? I know you guys are out there, and I know that you all want some more tricks and more tips, and of course, who doesn't want more love? And for that, subscribe our channel, follow our social media, and drink more vino. Make sure there is good vino.